Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will be showing you guys what I got from B.Simone Beauty. Okay, I've been eyeballing some products for a while now, and I finally got my hands on some of her products, which I'm so excited to try. I'm very proud of B.Simone. If you have not been following her journey of just growth and manifestation, you should follow her on YouTube and go watch her after you watch this video. Okay, so before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Be sure to hit the notification bell right next to it so you could be notified every time I upload a new video, and be sure to like this video so I know that you like videos like this one. B.Simone came out with B.Simone Beauty, I want to say maybe 10 months ago, and it's been doing extremely well. I've been following her journey here on YouTube and also following her on Instagram, and you know, I've been eyeballing these products for a while. I first want to start off and say this video is not sponsored by any means. I bought all of this with my own coins, okay? She just launched her Flirty 30. She turned 30 in April, and she launched some of her new lip glosses, lip pencils, and matte lippies. And I got several from her Flirty 30 collection, and then I also got some from her original B.Simone Beauty collection, and I wanted to go ahead and share them with you all. So this is what the packaging comes in for her lip products. Very pretty. Obsessed with the packaging. I think my favorite part, honestly, is the message that she has on the back of her products, which says faith over fear, which is something to live by. Okay, I did go ahead and pick up some lip pencils as well, and this is what they come in. Another thing that I like about her products is that all of them have like a unique name to them. And from her original collection, she had names from things that she normally says that correlates with her personality. So she has B.Simone Tone, Baby Girl, and Baby Boy. Okay, I don't know, my voice is a little raspy, so I can't really hit it right quick. I'm not really sure why my voice is going in and out, but here we are. I'm a little parched, okay? Bear with me. I went ahead and picked up 5 lip products from the Flirty 30 collection, and then I also picked up 3 products from her original line. So I'll be swatching them for you all. I hope this video helps if you guys were thinking about purchasing anything from B.Simone Beauty. So without further ado, let's get started.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls. Yeah. Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car.
I did pick up some lip pencils, and these are what? Wait. So nervous. What the heck? Ooh, this raspiness gotta go. We're gonna just start off with it. I need some music. Where my laptop at? You wanted to know what was in my hand. It's the reflector. That was for you, Adler.